the Festive Mystery Cal Part 2. So you can see that we have continued here until round 9, and then we'll move on to round 10. Start off round 10 with single crochet 8 stitches. So here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then proceed to do increase in the next 2 stitches. First increase, and then the second increase. Then continue with the single crochet 11 stitches in round 10. Switch to white yarn. Continue round 10 with single crochet 8 stitches in white. Single crochet 1 in white, and then 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, and then I'll just cut off this little bit of excess. Then still in white, proceed with double crochet 4 stitches together in white. So the first one, and then the second one, and then into the dark brown part, and then the final 4th one. We should get 5 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, and then pull through all of them to make the double crochet cluster stitch. Continue round 10 with single crochet 8 stitches in white. 1, 2, 3, oh yes, and then continue with 3, finally switch back to brown yarn again and finish round 10 with single crochet 2 stitches in brown. Start off round 11 in brown again with single crochet 9 stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then increase in the next 2 stitches. 1 increase, and then another, and then the second increase. Then continue with the single crochet 12 stitches in brown. Switch to white yarn and then continue round 11 with single crochet 6 stitches in white. Finishing up the 6 single crochet stitches in white. Then we will move on with making another cluster stitch. This time it is double crochet 6 together in white. First one done, then the second double crochet decrease, and then the third, and then the fourth, and then the fifth, and then the sixth. So you should have a total of 7 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all of them. Then continue round 11 with single crochet 6 stitches in white. Switch back to brown yarn again and finish off round 11 with single crochet 1 stitch in brown. You can see the bottom of the snout is forming. Start round 12 in brown with single crochet 10 stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then increase in the next 2 stitches. So the first increase and then the second. Then finish the single crochet 13 stitches in brown. Switch back to white yarn again and continue round 12 with single crochet of 2 stitches and then decrease of 2 stitches in white. So single crochet 1 first and then 2. So here I tried to do a invisible decrease, which is kind of difficult with chenille yarn, as you can see, because the stitches are not very obvious. So in the end I decided to just go ahead. Okay, here is me trying again, but then in the end I decided to just go ahead with a single crochet standard decrease like so, which is a lot easier, and then we repeat for a second set. Continue round 12 with 6 single crochet stitches in the same stitch in white, This part I'm actually making a mouth protrusion, as you can see later, but we will complete the 6 first. 2 and then 3, and then 4. It can be a little bit tight because you're working a lot. 5, a lot of stitches into the same stitch. 5, and then finally one more 6. Then continue round 12 with decrease in the next 2 stitches, like what I did earlier. There's the first decrease, and then the second decrease, and then the second decrease, and then single crochet 2 stitches in white. Switch back to brown yarn, and then finish round 12 with single crochet 1 in brown. Now we move on to round 13. Start round 13 with single crochet 10 stitches in brown. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then continue round 13 with half double crochet 1 stitch first, and then 3 double crochet, increase 1, 2, and then 3, another 1 more double crochet in the same stitch, and then repeat again for a second set. So 3 double crochet stitches in the same stitch, 1, 2, and then 3, and then finally half double crochet of 1 stitch in the next stitch, all in brown. Continue round 13 with single crochet of 13 stitches in brown. 3, 4, 5, until we reach the side again. Switch to white yarn and continue round 13 with a decrease in the next 2 stitches in white. We'll be doing the standard decrease again. So that's 1 decrease, and then after that a second decrease, single crochet. Then proceed to do a double crochet 6 together cluster stitch in white, 1 set, then 2 set, 3, this works into the mouth in the middle, 4, then 5, remember to unentangle the yarns, 5, and then 6, then yarn over and pull through all. You should have 7, and then yarn over and pull through all of them. Then continue round 13 with single crochet decreases in white for 2 sets using the standard decrease. Remember to push out the mouth in the middle, 1, and then the second set. Finish round 13 with single crochet of 1 stitch in brown. You can see that the head is completed here together with the mouth. You can see the mouth protrusion at the bottom. And there we have it before we move on to the next part. Remember to check out part 3.